Another term that we have with firmware is UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. Okay, this is a standard firmware interface for PCs. It was designed to replace BIOS and in large part, if not in its entirety, has. I mean, it's hard to make blanket statements like that because you can still run into a computer that's 10 years old and would still have BIOS. For all intents and purposes, BIOS and UEFI, like for our purposes, is really the same thing. It's an evolution of firmware. So UEFI does a lot of things better, but it's still firmware. It's still a set of instructions that control how the computer starts up. But UEFI has advantages of better security. There is something called Secure Boot that secures the pre-boot process to try to make sure nothing's been modified. You get faster startup times and resuming from hibernation. Support for larger drives larger than 2.2 terabytes. Support for 64-bit firmware device drivers. And it is backward compatible, so you can put it into a legacy mode and use, older legacy boot devices.